Hi there, Sandra here from Create in Spain. I'm going to be making some Christmas decorations for the tree today. I've already done a couple of bells, slightly different. This one's got a string to hang it up by, this one's got a piece of wire, but I'm going to do a parcel shape one today. They're done in exactly the same way, it's just the shape that you cut out which is different, and I will give you the file for the different shapes that I have done. So we start off with 16 pieces of paper. This is a craft paper, it's a construction paper, so it's a heavy duty paper, but it's not card. There are score lines in the file, so you can simply fold them up, and we need to do that with all of them. Now it's actually very simple to get this kind of honeycomb effect. The fewer pieces you have, the bigger the honeycomb. Now normally I use a scoring tool for scoring. In this particular case, I actually used a scribe tool. Now what you want to do is take your piece so that the line is vertical, and then halfway over horizontally draw a line of glue and stick it down. So I'm going to find something heavy to shove on these. The next step in this is really easy. All you do is you put a little bit of glue on the top and bottom, or sides, whichever it is that you want to call it, and you just stack them up one on top of another, just making sure that you get them lined up properly, and you just keep going until they are all used up. Right, mine's had a couple of minutes. It probably isn't completely set, but since this is a demonstration I don't really want to wait any longer. So you open it up and you can close these two flaps by sticking glue in the same place. So I'm going to cheat slightly and put some glue from my glue gun up here so that I can do this a bit faster. There we are. Now when you've got this properly set, rather than me not having it properly set, you can make these go more regularly around the outside. I can't really afford to tweak this too much at the moment because it will probably come apart. But as I said, that's simply because demonstration, I'm trying to get it done fast. Now you could put some thread, some string, or some ribbon up through here, or you can do what I'm going to do, which is a wire. Now I have here some paper clips, just normal paper clips. And all I've done is I've taken a pair of pliers and I've straightened it out, and then I have put a little loop on the bottom. And so I can put my wire straight through here. Now the reason I've put this in a loop is so that it won't go through the actual hole. And then I've got some round-nosed pliers to make a loop. Nice and easy. I think this one looks quite fun actually. For decoration you can do all sorts of things. On this one I've used some gold paint, for example. For this one I've used some fake snow. On these I've used a bead on the bottom. Now the other thing that I want to do, and the reason I got my glue gun out, is because I wanted to put some ribbon around it. So I'm just going to roughly gauge how much ribbon I need. It is a rough gauge. And snip off there. Because what I need to do with this is put a tiny amount of glue just on the inside edge. Then it can go around. And then our glue and fasten that. It is the easiest way of getting a ribbon around it. This bauble here I made of some thin glossy card that is sold in Aldi. I love the look of the two-tone, I think that's great, it's a nice alternative. However, it's a little more difficult to stick it, and it does need a glue gun really to get that stuck fast. This one I topped off with some baubles because I like the look of the silver and the red. So there we go, some decorations to make for your Christmas tree. I hope you'll watch some more of my videos, and I'll see you again soon. Take care now.